This conference will now be recorded.
Shall we proceed? Last class, we've been talking about how to create an opportunity. In the opportunity, how to go ahead and link a price book. From the price book, how to get a product. Everybody clear? Once again, I'll be repeating the step end to end. First, from ground zero to 100, right? So for that, I log into my environment, Rupam@of109.com, password CRM1234#. First, we create campaign. By looking at a campaign, we get what? We get leads, right? Leads we convert to accounts, contacts, opportunities. Clear, everyone? Now, the whole Sales Cloud starts from opportunity. In the opportunity, we have to add product. For that, click on your app manager, click on view all, scroll down, look for product. Product. Where is product? Where? Here it is, the product, right? Now, I click on new product. I give a name to the product. Lenovo K8. Product code LENK8. Active? Yes. Check this active. If it's the product is not active, then it will not be visible there. Where? While adding in the price book. Somebody just came up with a complaint stating that when I go to the price book, I don't see the product. I see only the system products, not the custom product that I created. Why? Because you might not have checked this box called active. Save. Product got created. Now come to the price book. Before you come to the price book, go to the related, add the list price, the standard price. Standard price is 15,999. I click on save. Now to the gold, I will sell it for 14. For titanium, I will sell it for 13. Your wish, different pricing. How to do that? You can add it from here, right? You can add a product from a price book. You can add a price book from a product, both the direction. Whenever you add from a product, you have to do one by one. You have to add one by one price book. For example, now I'm in the product. Where am I? I'm in the product. Now I click on price book. I have to add one by one. Delight, currency. Next, what is the price for Delight? I will say 14,999. 14,999. I click on save or save and new. One by one I have to add. Next, cross the Delight, select titanium. We sell it for 13,999. Let's assume, right? Save. That's it. We don't sell this phone to gold customers. This phone is not eligible for gold customers. I want to block. Don't add to the gold price book, right? Now, this product is added to the price book. When you go to the opportunity in real time comes from where? Lead, right? From a lead, you create a customer. Now the customer says, hey, yeah, I'm really interested, but I cannot join this batch because there's a shooting coming up right after the lockdown. Can you, what is the next batch? Sir, next month. Can you call me next month? Now, do you have any, right now there is any opportunity? No. Able to understand the scenario? I'm going back to the lead. Let's say Mr. Sidhu. Sidhu says he is interested, he's a genuine customer, but he doesn't want to buy or join the course right now. He doesn't want to join. What will you do? I will click on convert. While converting, there's a small checkbox here. Do not create opportunity. I will check this box. So create only account and contact. By the way, do you have a student? We already. I click student. I don't want system to create a new student. Already there is account called student is there. So why to create duplicate? Right? Now it will create Sidhu. It will attach to a account called as student. It will not create any opportunity, guys. So it's disabled now because you check this box. Because immediately Sidhu doesn't want to join the course. He want to join after 6 months, right? So hence we say convert, right? We say convert. What we created? Only contacts and accounts. No opportunity got created here because you cannot sell anything immediately. Now I go to the lead, right? You see that Sidhu is removed. You go to the contact. After 6 months, Sidhu calls us back, or we are creating campaigns, and every time we are sending emails to all these contacts. Sidhu, Bhanu, everyone, we are sending email. You know how to create a campaign, how to send an email. You can add lead, you can add contacts. So let's assume that every month we are sending bulk emails. On that, Sidhu is also included because he's a part of our customer. Now Sidhu calls me back and say, hey, I'm interested in joining course. Now what you'll do? You have to create opportunity. To proceed forward, you need to what? Opportunity. How can you create opportunity? Open Sidhu. There is an opportunity. There is a new button here. From where I am creating? I am creating the opportunity from now. Contact. Opportunity can be created from opportunity, from contact, from account, from lead. These are the 4 places from where you can create an opportunity. You can create an opportunity from the lead while conversion. It creates opportunity. While conversion, you say, no, I don't want opportunity. Then you can create from where? I am in the contact. I create a new opportunity. Now I will give the name to the opportunity. SIDDHU Sidhu. Right? SFDC course. What is the amount? I'm keeping blank because amount will be automatically calculated as soon as I add the product. Close date. We are expecting to close this deal by 19th. What is the stage? We are still understanding Sidhu's requirement, need analysis. I click on and it is linked to what? You can see that. It is linked to this campaign. I click on save. One opportunity got created. I go to the opportunity, I'll be able to see a new opportunity. This came from where? Not from conversion. This came from contact. Rupam, if I open this, will I be able to see whether it came from contact or it came from conversion or it came from? No. For that, you have to do a customization where you have to insert a field. You have to insert a field. In that field, the options will be there from lead, from contact, from account, from opportunity. And then we will write a program that whenever somebody is converting, automatically that field will be set to what? From conversion or from lead. If somebody is creating from contact, the way I just created now, automatically that will change to from contact. Currently, these are not available. As I told you, out of box CRM is not fit for use, right? You have to do a lot of customization here. Guys, able to understand? Right? Now, I will click on add product. Immediately system will ask me, choose the price book, right? You can choose anything. I will choose Delight. As soon as I choose Delight, my product would be visible here. See Lenovo K8, which I created today. It's visible here. Plus Salesforce course, plus Lightning. Click next, right? What is the quantity? Sidhu and his 2 friends wants to join. So 2, right? What is this? This is device to join online. If somebody wants to join online class, we are recommending Lenovo K8. Let's take an example. I click on save. What just happened? Right? Done. I can now close it. The product got added. Automatically the price got calculated. Till here it's fine. Anybody has any questions? Because today something new will come and some complex things is about to come. Till here all clear? Anybody has any doubts? How to add a product to a price book to a opportunity? Yes? Fine. Now,
Rupam,
yes, please.
yeah, Rupam. Yesterday you told me one flow chart, like marketing cloud, sales cloud, and service cloud, right?
Mm-hmm.
Under the sales cloud, we are we can see opportunity, product, price book, and everything, right?
Right.
Now we are doing everything in marketing cloud, right?
Doesn't make any difference. Remember that
Okay.
in real time, sales cloud or marketing cloud are same.
Oh, okay,
Sales,
okay,
sales, there's no differentiations. It is called sales cloud. That's it. Right?
okay, okay. Then, thank
Perfect.
you,
Right.
thank you.
Right now. Okay. Let's move. Right. Let's start today's topic. Today we will deal with a topic called as quotation. Now, what is a quotation? First understand, then I will give you a definition. What is the price that Sidhu has to pay? 1,69,998. Sidhu says that, Rupam, can you send me the breakdown? How did you got to this price? I will say, hey, Lenovo 14,999 into 2. Your SFDC course is 42,000 into 2. Your lightning course cost 28,000 into 2. You'll say, no. Send me a document. Send me a document on email. What will you do now? Will you take a screenshot? This is an internal system. We can't take a screenshot of our internal system and share with external customer. I want to generate a customer output. Same output I have to generate in a customer PDF copy. How can I do that? That is called as quotation. What is a quote? It's a proposed offer of a price and product is called quote. Write down a heading called as quote. I didn't give a definition, right? Okay, write down opportunity. First, write down the opportunity definition. Opportunity definition. What is an opportunity? Any prospective deal, any prospective deal, any prospective deal are called opportunities. Any prospective deal are called opportunities. What is an opportunity? Any prospective deal, the deal where you have a chance to get, you have a chance to win, a deal where you have a chance to convert it to order, right, is called opportunity. Right? Now write down quotation. Quote. Proposed offer. Proposed offer of a product and price. Proposed offer of a product and price is called proposed offer of a product or and price is called quote. Quote or quotation is called quote, right? Not love quotes in your WhatsApp, Facebook, DP profiles, not those quotes. Here quote means any proposed offer, right, of a price and product is called quote. Total 3 steps. To create a quote, 3 steps. Step 1, first one, quote activation. You have to activate a quote. Step 1 would be quote activation. Now look on the screen. Nowhere I have a quote. product, notes, contact roles, we'll talk about it, partners, we'll talk about it, stage, end. I go to activity. Do you see anywhere code? No. I go to chatter. Any code? No. I click on app manager. Click on view all. Do you see anywhere a code? Right? Invoice, quick text, quote, 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 quote. I see nowhere quote. Quote is not there anywhere. So first step is that quote activation. How to do that? Setup. Right hand side top corner, there's a setup icon, third icon. This one. Setup. Setup. How to write. Whenever we are writing a path, whenever you are writing a path, write like this, SETUP, setup. Setup. Right? Like this. Getting it? Don't write one after one, otherwise whole one page will be over. Right? Write in a straight line. So setup. Once again, setup. Setup. Right? First watch, I'll give the path later. First look on the screen, writing later. Setup. Setup. Feature settings. Feature settings. What type of feature it is? It's a sales feature. So sales. Scroll down. Quotes. Click on quote setting. I'll give the path later. Once again, I'll give the path, so don't worry about it. Click on enable. Click on enable. Don't be in a hurry to click save. Check this 4 layout box. Check this 4 layout box. Then click save. Getting it? Have you seen the path? Right? Have you seen the path? Perfect. Now write down setup. 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 Again setup. Then feature setting. Here it is. Feature setting. Then sales. Setup. Setup. Feature setting. Then sales. Like this you have to write. Then after that, go to quote. Next, quote setting. Quote setting. Then click enable. This is how you write a path. Setup, setup, feature setting, sales, quote, quote setting, click enable. Here it is. Quote setting, click enable. I click enable. Check 4 boxes. Click enable. Next step, check 4 layout box. Next, click save. This is how you write a path. Setup, setup, feature setting, sales, code, code setting, click enable, check 4 layout box, click save. 1, 2, 3, 4, click save. Everyone clear? Done. Step 1 is done. Automatically the code got activated. Next time when you come here, right, I just click on the address bar and I press enter. You would be able to see, right, code has come up. Code. When you go to your app manager, click view all, you would be able to see code now in this list. Here is the code. Earlier this was not there. Now you activated features, code feature. Clear everyone? Now I go to my opportunity. I open Sidhu SFDC course. I scroll towards the bottom. I'll get quote here. This was not there earlier. Now we got a quote. Step 1, activation of quote. Step 2, creation of quote. Now we'll be creating a quote. No need to write the step. You can watch. So, right now Sidhu wants an output. That means I have to give him an output. Come to the quote. Click on this drop down. Click on new quote. There is a button called new quote. New quote. Clear? New button. New quote. Clear? Right? So, new quote. Give a name to the quote. SFDC Sidhu. When this quote expires, some date, right? What is the description? Blah, blah, blah. Right? Tax, I'm filling nothing. I'm scrolling down. Whatever the address you have captured in the account, that will be available automatically here. If not, fill it HYDRABAD Hyderabad, the right LANG in Telangana state, right? Postal code 500090, billing country India. I click on save. A quote got generated. I'm an opportunity. You can see here opportunity. It says quote SFDC Sidhu created. Where it's created, scroll down. Here you will be able to see this quote. Automatically system generates a number. Quote number 00001. It generates a number. Click on the quote number. It opens up the quote. Where am I? I'm in the quote. Where am I? I'm in the quote. Now, click on this drop down. Click on create PDF. System is creating a PDF that need to be sent to Sidhu. There we go. Company name, Capital Info Solution. Created date is this. Prepared by Rupam. Lenovo K8. 2 quantity, this much. Total price 1,69,998. One quote got generated. Able to understand? I will show you the steps again. Don't worry. Now you have to send it to Sidhu. You have an option here. Save and email the quote. I click on save and email the quote. Immediately system creates an email. It is sending an email to SV. Sidhu, there in the class? Right, good. You should be receiving now. One copy will go to me. I can write the subject line. SFDC course. Hi Sidhu. Right? Please find blah, 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 blah. Whatever it is. I will write the email body. Right? And then I click on what? Send. It'll ask you, do you want to send as an attachment? Yes, send. Gone. Sidhu would have received an email by now. Gmail. One copy has even come to me also. Can you see? The email has come. Hi Sidhu, blah, 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 blah. And the quote is attached. Able to understand? Rupam, can we change this structure? Yes. Can I put my picture in that? Yes. Can we put Capital Info logo there? Right? We want to arrange this. Yes, we can. And that is what we'll do. This is out of box. Right? So tomorrow, if you're in the real time, if you get a story, what is that? Template creation for quote communication. Template creation for quote communication. Story ID 231689. That story means work. You have to immediately understand that. Template for quote creation. So quote, this is a template. So that means this designing work is given to you. This will be your work to design this. Client will give you the design. I want my quotation to be like this. Who will do it? You will do it, right? So here is the design, which will change. Will change everything. Don't worry about it. Clear, everyone? Perfect. That's good. Once again, I'm showing. Let me go ahead. Opportunity. Let's assume that Saif Ali Khan, right? How much he is supposed to pay? 2,10,000. Saif Ali Khan says that, can you please send me an email with all the details so that I can discuss with my wife Karina? How will you send the details? Scroll down. Already quote is activated, so you need not to reactivate again. Quote. Click here. Click on new quote. Right? Fill the detail. SAIF, SAIF, SFDC. Click save. A quote got created. Right? A quote got created. Scroll down. Quote number 002 because 001 was for Sidhu. Right? So it generated another number called 002. I click on this quote. Quote opens up. I click on the drop down. I click on create PDF. Immediately, Saif Ali Khan's PDF is getting generated. It generates contact name, Saif Ali Khan. You can see that, the price and everything. Now you can say, save and email the quote as usual. The quote will be sent to Saif Ali Khan, s@s.com. Anyhow, there is no such email address, so it will bounce back. That's okay. Hi, I'm typing something. Hi, Saif, how are you? Please find the quote, please. Subject, send. Right? Don't show this message again. System is warning you. Do not send the quote as an attachment. Send as a link. It is recommending that this attachment that you're sending, PDF file, don't send as attachment, send as a link. Why? Because today if you send, tomorrow you see, oh, I made a mistake. Can you pull it back? No. He might have already downloaded it or he might have already opened it. But if you'd have sent as a link, anytime you can break the link. So if you click on that link, sorry, code is not available. Able to understand? Yes or no? So whenever you want to share your pics with anyone, always share as a Google Drive link. Upload in Google Drive, especially girls. Upload in Google Drive. Don't attach the picture in your compose box. Upload in Google Drive, right? Copy the link, send it to anyone. Any given time you feel threat, break the link. Next time when they click on it, sorry, this picture is not available. It will break the link. Getting it? This is one of the advantage of sending it through a link, right? So it's asking, I will say no, attach and send. Email is gone, right? Saif Ali received email, I received email. Everyone clear till here? Yes? Perfect, fine. Now, keep watching. Now, keep watching. After I send this quote, if you see my diagram, in the quote also there is a cycle. Where is the cycle? Here is the stage, in draft. I'm in quote, needs review, in review, approved, approved, presented. I presented it to the customer. These are the stages. Rupam, where did we approve it? We will see later how to create an approval process and everything. For now, ignore it, right? So these are the stages. Quote also passes through stages. Wherever you see this cycle, understand that there is a stages. There are stages, right? In price book, do you have a stage? No. In product, did you have a stage? No. So that's the reason I didn't draw this. In opportunity, do you have a stage? Yes. Sales pipeline, if you remember yesterday I gave you 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 80, 100, right? In lead also there was a stage. Yes. open, not contacted, working, contacted. Some stages were there. Wherever stages are there, I will give you like this, the symbol. In a quote, we have a stage, and that is the stage that I'm discussing. Clear, everyone? Now, scenarios. What can happen in the real time? In the real time, you send this to the Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan comes and say that, hey, Karishma Kapoor doesn't want to join the lightning. Now, where am I? I'm in quote. I come here, I click on edit, and I reduce the quantity from 3 to 2. 2. Because Karishma doesn't want to join. Only Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor wants to join. So, done. Now, immediately, your price also will change. Your price also will change. As soon as you reduce the quantity, right, immediately the price became how much? 1,82,000. Remember that system is doing a version control for you. Versioning, version control. Where it is, you see that Safe SFDC V1, version 1. Did I put it? No. You see, 200, 210, 2,10,000. Now what is the price? 1,82,000. Again, I create one more PDF. System will create version 2 now. This PDF price is how much? 1,82,000. As soon as I click on save and email the quote, or I click on save to quote, immediately system will create version 2. Version 1 was 2,10,000. Version 2 was 1,82,000. Right? Looks like that. You send this version to the customer. Again, the customer says that, hey, how to access this? Sir, we recommend for Lenovo phone. So add product. See, now I'm adding the Lenovo 8. So how many you need, sir? I just need how many? Give me 5. Only 3 people joining? No. Okay, fine, but I want to keep spare. If one device doesn't work, then I will take my second device. Save. Where am I making these changes? I'm making these changes in where? Quote. What is the price now? 256. Again, I will go and I'll say email the quote or create PDF. System is creating a PDF of what? 2,56,000 now. You can send the quote to the customer or you can save a copy in your machine. System is immediately maintaining the versions. V1, V2, V3, 2,56,000. Now, what is the quote amount? Now, when I go to the opportunity, what is the opportunity amount? See that both are not talking to each other. In the opportunity, it's showing 2,10,000. Quote is showing 2,56,000. Here I see 2 products, view all, only 2 products, but we added one more product called Lenovo, which didn't come here. That means quote is not talking to opportunity. Quote in its one way, opportunity is going in this way. We have to bring both to the same page, right? If I scroll down, I'll be able to see quote here. When I place my mouse over quote, it shows 2,56,000. Whereas my opportunity, if I go up, it's showing 2,10,000. Both quote and opportunities are not talking to each other. How can we make them to talk? For that, open the quote, click on Start Sync. Start Sync. There's a button called as Start Sync. You click on Start Sync. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now your quote is talking to your opportunity. Quote is 2,56,000. Go to the opportunity. Opportunity is also 2,56,000. Now I'm an opportunity. I say add product. I am adding DevOps. Next. How many? 4. Save. Immediately The opportunity amount has changed to 3,36,000. Go and check the quote amount also changed to 3,36,000. 3,36,000. See here. Now both are talking to each other. You make a change in quote, it will be reflected in opportunity. You make a change in opportunity, it will be reflected in quote. Able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? How to create an opportunity, how to go ahead and create a quote, right? So I gave you step 2. Step 3 is publish quote. How to publish the quote? You have just seen. Click on the drop down arrow, click on create PDF. It will publish the quote for you. Yes? Anybody has any questions? Perfect. Done. So we have seen opportunity, right? We have seen quote. From the quote, I need to create what? Order. Customer says, okay, fine. Finally, customer agreed to pay 3,36,000. Now you have to create order. You have to create what? Order. Order has to be created. Right? Anybody has any doubts? All good?
Rupam, can you hear me?
Yes.
I have a question. Like, code activation is the one-time process,
Quote activation is a one-time process. Yes, correct.
and syncing code with the opportunity is also the one-time.
It is not one time. For each and every quote, you have to do that.
Okay, 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 fine. Thank you.
Right.
Hello,
Anybody
Rupam.
has
I
any
have one doubt.
questions? Yep, tell me.
Hello, Rupam.
Go ahead, go ahead.
In that PDF, we gave discount for delayed people, titanium people, but in that PDF code, discount was showing as 0.
Yeah,
Suppose
because that
if
is not a
Lenovo
discount.
listed price is
No, that is not a discount. That is not a discount.
okay,
That is the price. On that, if you want, you can give a
okay,
discount. Getting right?
okay, for
Now,
that, yeah,
I'm coming there. That is the next topic. Wait. Now, guys, watch. In the quote, I want to give a discount. In the quote, right? When you go to the details, right? You have here discount. Can you see? Discount. I will say edit. I can go ahead and I can give a discount of how much? 25,000 discounts I'm giving. Shipping and handling charge 700. Actually, this has to be calculated automatically. But currently we don't have any automation, no program, nothing. That's the reason everything is manual. I click on save, right? System goes ahead, and now if you generate a PDF, you'll be able to see. Create PDF. I'm creating a PDF, right? See, discount percentage. Oh, I put it in the tax, sorry. Tax, 25,000 is the tax. 700 shipping and handling charges. Total 3,36,000 plus 25 tax plus 700, which is equals to this. Grand total is 3,62,000. Tax has to be auto calculated by the system, right? Which is not there because every country has a different tax calculation. In India, there's a GST. Some other country, they have a VAT. Some country, they have a sales tax, right? Same product, different country has different percentage. That means we have to configure those. Then only it will calculate the tax automatically. Able to understand? Currently, everything is manual, out of box. Salesforce I'm showing. It's completely manual. Clear? So, right? All your tax discounts, right, has to be calculated. And for that, we have to do customization. Probably by tomorrow, we will start your customization. Tomorrow, we will start your core work. Right? I told you, these are your end user work. But still I'm showing you because these are there in the certification. Plus in the interview, they ask you. Plus you should be knowing how the flow works. These are the 3 reasons that why are we doing this? Otherwise, there is no meaning we wasting the time here. Because from certification, as I was showing you yesterday also, these are all part of your certification questions, right? Perfect. Anybody has any questions still here? All good? Getting bored? Tell me if yes or no, because literally I'm feeling bored. No? Perfect. Call it out, man. Right. Perfect. Shall we go proceed forward? Next, right? From code to order, the bridge is broken. The bridge is broken. From code to order, this bridge is a broken bridge. You don't have a conversion available. All these were working fine. Everything is working fine. I'll color them all in green. Right? This is all I'm coloring in green, whichever is working fine. Right? Green. But whenever I come from code to order, why this is green? Right. Quotation to order is not available in Salesforce. This is a separate software. If you remember that yesterday I told you that there's a software called as CPQ, which will automatically calculates which price book to choose. Along with that, conversion of this order is available, but you can't create order. See, I click on app manager, click on view all, I scroll down, look for order. Here is order, but there is no, right? Okay, sorry, order can be created, my mistake. Order can be created, right? After order, there is something called invoice. This list is completely broken. Whatever is broken, I'm coloring. These are all broken, right? Oh, sorry. Let me color this here. In your diagram, I don't know how will you do it. Write down broken. These are broken. Now, from the code, order is broken. That means you cannot create an order directly. You have to redo the same thing again. Whatever you did in the code has to be done again in the order. Write down order. What is an order? What is an order? Any accepted quotation, any accepted quotation, any accepted quotation is called order. Any accepted quotation is called order. Any accepted quotation is called order. Now I'm going to Flipkart, right? This is what I ordered for my son few days back. Remember that if anybody has any active order in the Flipkart, if anybody has ordered now, you will not be able to see this download invoice until and unless delivery happens. Did you observe it anytime? Yes or no? Once the product is delivered, then only this download invoice will come. The invoice got downloaded. Download invoice in Flipkart is not available when the product is in an order status. Able to understand? Yes or no? Yes. Did you observe it anytime? Nobody observed? So many times you ordered from Flipkart? What, man? You should be able to observe it. Shall we order something? My card only will go, no? So you will always say yes. Okay, not a problem. We can order something, right? Let's order a t-shirt. No worry, we can cancel it. 275 only, no? That's okay, fine for me. I say buy. Size L. Buy now, right? Perfect. Delivered to my address. Perfect, right? So continue. Now it's asking me, right? Pay this. I'm saying pay. Done. My order got raised. It is coming with a Flipkart pay later, right? I don't need a credit card or anything to pay, right? What is the one? 692748. Continue. My order got raised. I just ordered a t-shirt from Flipkart, right? Rupam, my order. This is order. I click on this order. Do you see download invoice anywhere? You cannot download an invoice, right? Download invoice is not there in this order, right? Download invoice is not there. Whereas here, I have a download. I go to the other product, right? Let's talk about earbuds. Both download invoice is there. Wherever the product is delivered, you will have a download invoice. Invoicing comes at a time of delivery of a product. Invoice is not raised at the time of ordering. I'm coming to the order now. By the way, let's go ahead and cancel this order. Cancel order. Select the reason, right? I want to change address. I changed my mind, right? Cancel order, continue. Request cancellation. My order got cancelled. I raised it, don't worry. The amount will come back to my account. So no issues. This is just to show you that what is an order. Now, let's understand. There are two scenarios in order. One is called B2C, business to customer. Whatever the order that I raised on Flipkart is B2C. Business is Flipkart, I am the customer, B2C. In B2C, for raising an order, money is required mostly. But there is a cash on delivery option already there. Did you pay the money? No, but order number got generated. So by this you understand that for raising order, money is not mandate. For raising an order, money is not mandate. Cash on delivery, I didn't pay anything, but order number got generated. For raising an order, money is not mandate, right? In business to customer scenario, always advance or money is important for raising order. For example, 275, I paid, right? But whenever it's business to business, B2B, do you think that the business to business will give money and then take the product? No. In business to business, first the product will come, then only they will release the money. In business to customer, first you pay the money, then you get the product. Able to understand? In B2C, first money, then product. In B2B, first product, then money. Product will come to my factory, then I will release the check. Yes or no? But can you do that same thing in your B2C? No. First you have to pay, then only the order will raise. If you don't want to pay full amount, you have to pay at least advance. 10,000 worth product, pay 500, pay 1,000 rupees advance. At the time of delivery, you will clear the rest amount. So by this, while delivering, we have invoice concept. While ordering something, you don't require money. Value is not required at the time of ordering. Value is required at the time of invoicing. Clear now? Next, while you purchase a product, have you seen that you sign on a bill? Did you sign on the bill anytime? While buying a laptop from a store, or if you buy a mobile phone from a store, he will ask you to sign on the bill. Have you observed? Why do you think he asked you to sign on the bill? Did you ask this question anytime to the shopkeeper? Why? Why should I sign on the bill? This is your bill. You have to sign and you have to give me. Why you are asking me to sign on the bill? Nobody has asked. What is? No, it's not for receiving. That's
It is
a
to
good one. What is
confirm
that?
that the product is, it is confirmed.
It's not a confirmation. It is an agreement you're entering with the shopkeeper. Every product that you purchase in the market has an agreement. You know this? When you install software, there's an agreement. I agree. When you buy a product, turn back. There's a lot of terms and conditions will be written. By buying a peppermint, ₹1 chocolate also, you're entering in an agreement with the company. That means whenever we sell something, agreement is must. You buy a land agreement, right? When you buy a laptop, you sign on the bill. On the bill, it is written, products once sold will not be taken back. Warranty will be covered by the corresponding vendor or service provider. That means once you buy the product from the store, you cannot go and return it. He will say, hello, ఆ బిల్ల రాసింది చూసుకో, ఇంకా నువ్వు సైన్ కూడా చేసావు. Go and see, towards the bottom it is written, goods once sold will not be taken back, and you have signed on it. That is the agreement he is taking from you. It is not a product confirmation. It is an agreement you're entering. Same thing in Salesforce also. Whenever you want to order, you need what? Contract. Write down contract. What is a contract? Any agreement, terms and condition, any agreement, comma, terms and condition, comma, any agreement or terms and condition or memorandum of understanding, memorandum of understanding, memorandum of understanding, memorandum, MOU, memorandum of understanding is called contract. So before raising an order, I need what? Contract. Now let's go to the Salesforce, right? Here it is. I click on App Manager, click on View All, scroll down, look for contract. Here it is. Contract, not contact, contract. I click on New Contract, right? I give the name. Who is signing? Bollywood. Who signed behalf of Bollywood? Saif Ali Khan, right? Signed. When is the contract sign date? What is the contract sign title? He is the president of Bollywood Association. He's the president. When it was signed? Today it was signed. Any price book agreed? Don't select, keep it blank. Next. When is the contract sign date? This is from company side. For how many months? For 11 months. Do you want any notification? Yes. Before 15 days of contract expiry, give a notification. Who signed behalf of the company? In this company, there is only one employee, Rupam. When it was signed? Signed today. Any special, any address, enter all this information, special terms and condition. Goods once sold will not be taken back. Right? Number 2, warranty covered by respective this. Number 3, right? Interest paid will not be returned. Number 4, right? Advance paid will not be returned. All these agreements, right? And then you click on save. But realistically, contracts are not on here. Contracts are on bond papers. 100 rupees bond paper or in official letterhead. So here is the attachment. If the contract was signed on official letterhead, scan it, sign, scan, upload, load here. This is the document. Let's say I scanned it and I uploaded it. Now I will go ahead and I will say activate the contract. Activate. This activate button. Activate. You want to activate? Yes. A contract got activated. Now you can go ahead and create an order. I click on App Manager, View All. I'm scrolling down. I look for orders. What is the order? Any accepted offer, is called order. Write down order. What is an order? Any accepted quotation, nothing but offer only, meaning is same. Any accepted quotation or offer is called order, right? You have all written, good and fine. Now I click on new, right? You see that it'll ask me for a contract number. It's compulsory. There's a red star here. If you observe the screen, there's a star mark. Now that is the reason first you have to create a contract, then only you have to come and create order. I come here, I say Bollywood. Here I say Bollywood, and here I will take student. Let's see what happens. The contract belongs to Bollywood, but the order belongs to student. Order date today, right? I click on save. Immediately there will be error. The order account must match with a contract account. Contract is this 100 is with what? Bollywood. So you need a Bollywood order only. You cannot take anything else. You cannot take anything else, right? Now you enter the address, everything, right? MUMBI, Mumbai, state Maharashtra, MH, shipping India, all data entry work, right? From the customer side, who signed? From company side, who signed? Me, right? All these address, click save. An order got created. System generated an order number. Now you have to go ahead and add the product. Whatever you did in the quotation, whatever you did in the opportunity, same thing has to be done here. Why? Because there is no conversion available. It's broken. You have to develop the conversion piece. In real time, it is you who have to build this conversion. Till here, the conversion is working fine. But after this, you see that quote to order is not there. Hence, you have to come and you have to redo the exercise again. I will say delight, save, then again I have to add the product, Lenovo, this, click next. I don't even remember 5, right? SFDC course 2, no, 3, lightning course 2, because Karishma Kapoor doesn't want to join. If you remember, you have to repeat the same step again. Click save, and you see that system calculates the price. Able to understand? Now you have to generate output, right? So click here, click on printable view. System will generate an output for you. Coming up. This is the output. This is an order output. Here is a product. You can see the products. Here you can see the total price, order amount, order number 100, right? Order date. These are the ordered products. Can we change the structure? Yes. I want in a tabular format. Can I do that? Yes. For that, we have to do customization, which will start from tomorrow. Now I'm showing you how the system works out of box. Without customization, how your Salesforce work is the question. Clear? Right? Fine. Now, definitely this is getting bored. We'll stop it here. Class is not yet over. Okay, shall we stop here today? What we have learned? How to go ahead? What? Create a quotation, publish a quotation, right? Send a quotation, how to go ahead and create a contract, how to go ahead and create an order, how to link a contract to an order, how to generate an output for an order, right? These are all end user work, not your work. Once again, I'm repeating, don't put in the resume, I created 10 codes, 20 orders. No, these are end user work. We are trying to understand end user work. That's the reason it's boring. Can't help, right? Now, Done? As usual, the homework. Create, need not to write. Create 10 quotations, 10 orders, 10 contract, link 7. Create 10 contract, 10 orders, right? Link 7, as usual, right? Today we will discuss the answer of the homework. First class I gave you questions also, no? Today we will discuss. First, let us discuss the first homework answer. 3 days is over. I gave you on Tuesday, if I remember, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I told you after 3 days, we'll come back to your homework. So, what is the homework that I gave? What is the maximum size you can upload? Answer is 2 GB. Answer is 2 GB. Right? Remember that. Answer is 2 GB. Not 5 MB, not 25 MB. Answer is 2 GB. Next. Next question. Which file cannot be uploaded? What is answer? Google says HTML. You might have researched, some of the blog is saying HTML. Yes or no? Yes, no. Answer is, right, all files can be attached. There is no restriction in Salesforce. You can upload exe, yes. You can upload HTML, yes. You can upload MP3, yes. You can upload this, yes. Everything is yes. All file format can be uploaded. Right? Got your answer? Any other questions was there? Any questions? No. Right? Okay. Done. Now let's come to the fun class. Close your books. Keep watching. Now, very important, because with this small question, I will be able to understand whether you're a real time, you're not a real time. In my real time, whenever a new candidate comes, experience, yes. How many years? 3 years. Okay. One small question I'll ask. We will able to understand whether it's real time or not. Right? What is this question? Let's understand. Have you heard? Why have you heard? Everybody has heard about Android. Tell me what is Android versions. Tell me the Android version names. KitKat, Jelly Bean, Oreo, something a marshmallow, mellow. What else? Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Okay, enough. Android has chosen candies. These are candies. If you go and type in Google, what is a marshmallow? Even I don't know. My son told me. Right? It is something like white, spongy marshmallow candy. It's something like a white spongy. This one. White sponges. Android has chosen candy names as their versioning. Correct? Salesforce has chosen season name as their versioning. Right? Whenever a new Salesforce comes up, new version, it comes up with, right, starts with winter, then summer, then spring edition. Not like 6 season in India. Salesforce has 3 versionings: winter, summer, spring. Where are we now? We are in winter 21. How do you know? Whenever you see an image, whenever you see anything to do with ice, like igloo. What is igloo? House made with ice called igloos. Whenever you see anything with ice, you have to understand that it's a winter edition, right? SFDC winter 13. See the image. One house with ice. Winter 14. See the image. One polar bear standing on a ice. Winter 15. Right? See that? One boy wearing a warm jacket fishing in the ice. Right? Winter 16. See that? Hot cup of tea. Winter 17. See that? Snowman. Whenever there's a ice falls, then only you can make snowman. Winter 18. See, somebody is getting ready for skiing. Winter. By looking at the logo, you should be able to tell what version of Salesforce we are using. If I show you the logo, immediately you should say, hey, this is the winter edition. How? Whenever you see anything with the ice, winter 19, see, he already skiing. Winter 20, see, yeah, wearing all warm clothes. Winter 21, this is what you see, wearing a woolen cloth. So whenever you see any ice in the logo, you have to understand it's a winter edition. Next, whenever you see pitta, bird, puvu, flower, komma, branch, chettu, tree, you should understand it's a spring edition. Spring 13. I'm going to 2013. See, puvu. 14. See, komma with a puvu. 15. See, pitta. Singing in the branch. 16. See, butterfly in the garden. 17. Rainbow. 18. Right? Planting and watering a plant. 19. See, in the garden. Whenever you see greenery, you have to understand it's a spring edition. Next, summer. Whenever you see traveling, whenever you see beach, traveling, ocean, you have to understand it's a summer, right? Because summer vacation, people travels in summer, summer vacation. Summer 13, see, right? Wind, summer 14, right? What is this, you know? We call this as snorkeling. Snorkeling. Wearing a, what do you call it? Not a gas cylinder, a mask type and one pipe to take oxygen, and you see underwater. So whenever you see travel, water, you have to understand it's a summer. Summer 15. See traveling with ice cream on the top. Summer we need ice cream, no? So that's the reason. Summer 16. Right? This is the place where celebration happened. Lightning was launched. It was a celebration, right? Summer 16, lightning was launched, right? 17, see, seabirds. Anything to related with sea, seabird. 18, right? See, with a pipe in the mouth, ready for jumping in the water to see underwater. Snorkeling. You see this pipe in the mouth? Snorkeling. Summer 19. See, in the sea beach, right? So, summer 20. See, logo, summer 20. Right? Now you got it? Next time when the logo change, next time when the logo changes, I don't need to tell you that what version it is. You should be able to understand that by yourself. Able to understand? Every time new releases comes, it will come with a logo change. Rupam, what has changed? How will I know? Just type summer 20 release note, release PDF. Just type this. You can download the PDF. Here it is. What are the things that have changed, right? What are the things that have changed? System will give you, here it is. Release notes. Select this. Right? Every time some new things are coming up, how do I know what are the things have come? You have to read this document. You have a PDF here. Click on PDF. It will create a PDF for you. Right? You will come to know what are the things have changed. It will give you a complete. In Sales Cloud, what we are talking about, what are the things have changed? See, B2B marketing. I was just today talking about B2B, business to business, business to customer. What have changed? See, the screens have changed. It's showing you with the numbers. These are the changes. This is how the look will come. This new option was included. Everything is there in the documentation. It is freely available. What has changed? When? With winter. Winter 21. Right? Here it is. Click on winter 21. Right? I'm going there. Release notes. Always look for notes. Click on notes. Right? Click on generate PDF. System will generate a PDF for you. This is 21. Earlier I was showing 20. Now I'm showing you the 21, the latest. Here it is. This is the logo that you see. Whenever you click on App Manager, you keep moving here and there, you see this logo. What are the things that have changed in this version? Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Analytical Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Mobile Cloud, customization, everything document is there. We are currently in Sales Cloud. So sales. What other things have changed in the sales? Right? Like this. In search, you get these options now. Earlier release, this option was not there. Now, whenever you click on search, you get like this option. All these, right? You see, voice call. If somebody is using a telephone call, TPAI, in a campaign I was telling you. In a campaign, you can execute a phone campaign also. For that, you need a separate software called as TAPI. If you have a TAPI installed from the Salesforce, you can call a customer with a headphone and headset. Here it is. You see that voice call. So all these changes, see, data updated 2 days ago. This is a new feature they have introduced. If you make a change today, after 3 days you come on the top, it will show 3 days ago the data was updated. All the small changes, right? All the small changes will be there in the documentation. Clear now? Able to understand? Yes, right? That's it for today. We will stop here. Saturday and Sunday, no classes. Again, we are going to meet on Monday.
Hello, Rupam.
Monday will be starting your work. That is nothing but your admin. Monday we will be starting your core work, admin module. Whatever happened done so far is a end user work just for you to understand the flow. If you're going for a certification, some scenario based questions. That's it. For that we came there. Your core work will start from Monday, where everybody has to focus. Now the boring will not be there from Monday because your major work will start. Right? Guys, able to understand everyone? Yes, no? Anybody has any concern, issues?
Hello, Rupam.
I'll come to online. Wait.
Okay.
Anybody has any issues? If you have, call it out. Remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching. You're here for what you're learning. Right? After this course, once again, I'm repeating. I give you that assurance that you will get minimum 10 to 12 interview calls. Minimum. Not from small companies like Trail Technologies, Banjara Hills, Laser Technologies, Somajigoda, Com Technologies, Secunderabad, Unity Technologies. I'm not talking about these 2 BHK companies. You will get minimum 10 interview calls from big companies if you roll out your resume with 3+ years experience. If you have a gap, this classroom will give you 3.5 years of confidence. That is the reason I'm going every direction. I shouldn't have told you about the logos. No trainer tells this. Go and ask in any class. Still I'm coming and I'm showing pitta means winter, right? Ice means winter. Pitta means spring. Because tomorrow you should look like a professional. Small things, including the end user screen. Why you need end user screen? Not only for certification, not only for interview, but also for conducting UAT. UAT. Have you heard about UAT word? User acceptance test. UAT. After delivering this, after making this product, after designing the Apollo Hospital software, do you think that they will take it just like that? No. First, they will do a test drive. The test drive is called UAT. They will send 2 doctors, 2 nurses. They will send, okay, show me the features. There you have to walk them to the features. There they will ask some business questions, which you should be able to answer even as a developer. That is the reason I'm explaining you those business concepts. Don't think that I'm just wasting the time and you're getting bored. We all know this, right? There is a particular reason everything that I speak. Otherwise, I don't take any topic in the class which is not useful. Even if I'm discussing a useless topic, you need to understand that this will be part of your interviews. So whenever you perform a UAT test, your users will be online. You will be there conducting the UAT. That time they will ask you this type of questions. Tell me, can you tell me this, right? What is the pipeline have you created? Suppose if I have not told you what pipeline, you would be thinking, ఎక్కడ ఉంది స్క్రీన్ లా ఆడు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు పైప్లైనా పైప్లైనా hello what is pipeline? Your idiot is kachara. He will think that who's that waste fellow doesn't even know pipeline. You're a developer, you're not supposed to know pipeline. He's using business words. That is the reason experience counts. What is an experience? Nothing but you have worked in the real time. You have heard this word called EMEA, APJ. Suddenly if this word comes, you shouldn't be that means that you have not done anything. So these are the reasons that why am I using the word called stories, sprint, right? EMEA, APJ, right? All these business terminologies I'm bringing in because tomorrow you have to interact with the business for development, 100%. That time you have to keep your reputation, right? These are all required. These small things gives a complete understanding, fake or genuine. Your walking style, your talking style will represent your experience. And I want to build you in all direction, not only with subject, but also with things around. Have you attended any interview calls? Anyone? In the interview call, they will ask you, tell me what is your day-to-day work? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why they ask you? Because you're a fake candidate, no? So if you have really worked, then you should be able to tell that after getting in the office, what you do. అసలు ఏం చేస్తాం ఎందుకంటే చేయలేదు, right? So in my class, I'll be covering those also. As a Salesforce consultant, as a development, what you do What is your daily activity? And this is what you have to tell in the interview so that you can clear the interview. Follow the classes, do the homework. Once again, I'm calling it out. If you religiously want to get a job in Salesforce, do it, right? There's a good package. Minimum, if you put 3.5 years, you will get 6 to 7 lakh package minimum. And it's a very good package, right? So if you want to get in a good company, start practicing, right? Keep everything aside in the life. Have aim. By the way, just to let you know, one good news. You want me to share or no? I cleared my PhD examinations from Amity University. You know Amity University, have you heard? Amity University, right? So I got selected for my PhD. Amity University PhD, doctor. So, right, I got selected. Right? So, right, there you go. Thank you. Your admission letter has been, congratulations, you are selected. Your admission. So for that, you have to write a national level exam. You know this? NET, NET. You have to clear NET. I cleared NET. Then you have to go for an interview. You have to apply to the university. Then there is the interview panel. You have to clear the interview. Then only you get in the PhD. So this is my offer letter. I'll be doing part-time. I'll be doing part-time. It's a not a full-time PhD because I'm working, no. So I can't go to Delhi. Don't worry, I'll not go to Delhi. I'll be in this Amity Hyderabad only, Punjab Gutta. There's the Amity Business School, MBA college. So there I'll be doing it. So this is the one. Right? I mean, Amity University. See, do you really feel that I need this? Tell me one thing. Tell me, I'm working, right? Very big multinational company, right? Which company I'm working, by the way? See, somebody caught me. Dell. I work for Dell Computer. Whenever, see, when I was writing the email today, you should have observed that. Whenever I was typing Padmini, you see that all the address says salvaraj@dell.com, dell.com, 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 at salesforce.com. See? So you should open your eyes, Papa, right?